Hi everyone, and welcome to our Pheno Safe channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to invest in cryptocurrencies in 2023. Now, before we get started, I want to make it clear that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes only. Please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. With that said, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is choose a cryptocurrency to invest in. There are hundreds of cryptocurrencies out there, so it can be tough to know where to start. A good place to start is by researching the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. These are the cryptocurrencies with the most value, and they're the ones that are most likely to succeed in the long run. Once you've chosen a cryptocurrency, you need to decide how much you want to invest. It's important to remember that cryptocurrencies are a high-risk investment. You could lose all of your money, so don't invest more than you can afford to lose. There are a few different ways to buy cryptocurrencies. You can buy them on an exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance. You can also buy them directly from a mining pool. Once you've bought your cryptocurrencies, you need to store them safely. The best way to do this is to use a hardware wallet, such as a Ledger Nano or Trezor. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your cryptocurrencies offline. This makes them much more secure than storing your cryptocurrencies on an exchange or in a software wallet. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.